Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on the subject that is applied science physics. The code of this subject is 2202. I am Mr. Professor Pevari DY. So we are starting the first unit, that is properties of matters and non-destructive testing. The first content, that is elasticity. So content in this point, that is deforming force, restoring force, elasticity, plasticity, rigidity, stress and strain and their types, elastic limits and Hooke's law, types of moduli of elasticity, stress strain diagram, Poisson's ratio, factor affecting elasticity. So we have to going to discuss on this video, that is deforming force, restoring force, elasticity, plasticity, rigidity, and next some points. So first we are going to be discuss on the first deforming force. So deforming force is that force, the external force which can change the shape and size of a body after its application is called as deforming force. So example at here now, when we press that ball, so ball can change their shape and size. That is that force, the ball can change their shape and size. That force is called as deforming force. When we are applying the external force of an object can change their shape and size. That force is called as deforming force. Second one is the restoring force. That is nothing but the like this. When we release that applied force, the object can regain their original shape and size. So that force, the object can apply that force to gain their original shape and size. That force is called restoring force. So internal force develop in a body to regain its original size and shape of application of deforming force is called restoring force. Next, that is elasticity. Elasticity is the property of body to virtue of which it regain its original shape and size on removal of external deforming force. It's called as elasticity. When we are applying the external force of an object and when release that external force, the object can regain their original shape and size. That property is called as elasticity. So example of these properties, that is all metals, steel, brass, rubber, copper, etc. The body which exactly regain original shape and size after removal of deforming force is called as perfect elastic body. The example of these, that is golf ball, rubber band, square balls. These are the examples of elasticity. Next, that is plasticity. The plasticity is exactly opposite to the elasticity, that property of body by virtue of which it does not regain its original shape and size on removal of external deforming force is called as plasticity. Example of this, that is clay, chalk, putty, mud. All these are the examples of plasticity. When we applying the external force of an object or body, the body can change their shape and size permanently. That called as plasticity. Next, rigidity. The property of body by virtue of which it does not change shape and size on application of any amount of force is called as rigidity. It is one of the property of metal or material that can, when we applying the force, the body cannot change their shape and size. That's called as rigidity. So perfect rigid bodies does not never exist in the nature. Next one is, that is the stress. Stress is nothing but the internal restoring force per unit cross sectional area is called as stress. Stress is nothing but the F by A. F is the force and A is the area. The unit of stress is Newton per meter square and CGS unit of stress is dyne per centimeter square and dimension is L minus 1, M1, T minus 2. Next, types of stress. There is some types of stress. First one is the tensile stress, is also called as longitudinal stress. Second one is volumetric stress. Third one, shearing stress. So we are going to be discussed one by one. First, that is tensile stress or longitudinal stress. Tensile stress is nothing but the stress corresponding to change in length of a body is called as tensile stress. So tensile stress is nothing but the applied force upon cross-sectional area. That is nothing but the at here now tensile stress is nothing but the F by A, or F is nothing but the M into G. M is nothing but the mass and G is nothing but the gravitational force. That is 9.81 meter per second square. A area is found out with the help of pi r square. Pi की value होती है 3.142 and r square. R is the radius. So unit of this again stress unit is Newton per meter square. That is change in length when applying the force. Force apply करने के लिए यहाँ पर आपने weight लगाया. Weight is that but the mass into gravitational force. So उसकी वजह से उस पर area में changes आया है like this. So next, that is volumetric stress. The stress corresponding to change in volume of a body is called volumetric stress. Volumetric stress is nothing but the applied force upon cross-sectional area. That is nothing but the change in pressure. It's also called as change in pressure, dP उसको बोल सकते हैं. और again unit is Newton per meter square. And all these the examples. Next one is the shearing stress. The stress corresponding to change in shape of the body is called as shearing stress. So shearing stress is nothing but the tangential force. So this like when we are applying the force on tangential, that is A dash, यहाँ पर दिख रहा है diagram में, that is tangential force F by A, and the unit again Newton per meter square. Again, all the content are same. Then some MCQs can arise on this content. So first, external force which change the shape and size of body after applying application. After its application is called as option restoring force, deforming force, vertical force, horizontal force. That is answer is deforming force. That is external force. The external force is also called as deforming force. Next, the SI unit of stress is, the option is Newton per meter square per Newton, Newton meter, meter square Newton. The answer is Newton per meter square. Third one, that is property of body by virtue of which it regain its original shape and size on a removal of external force. That is called external deforming force. That is also called elasticity. That is the property of the body. That is the elasticity. And the last one, the internal force developed. That is nothing but the internal force developed in the body to regain its original size and shape of applications of external force. The option is like this: restoring force, deforming force, vertical force, horizontal force. The answer is restoring force. So these type of questions can be arises on this content. So thank you to attend this lecture.